Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the eufy E25. This also works for the eufy E28 for those that are interested. If you're interested in the E25, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, we got to pop off the cover. It just lifts up and out of the way. And we got to find this tiny little button right there. That's going to be our factory reset. Now, make sure your vacuum's powered on. Our unit is on. We have two lights illuminated right here, so solid white. We're going to take a teeny tiny tool like a sim removal tool to be able to press that button for 3 seconds. So we're going to get that button pressed. And as soon as I pressed it down hard enough, the lights went off right there. So just 3 seconds and then you can let go and the unit is off. So now what we have to do to complete the reset is just press and hold the power button and we'll turn everything back on. So there we go. It's going to boot up. We can wait for it to come online, but that's it. Simple, straightforward factory reset. Startup chime, and you're good to go.